this is another weather update. It has been a rainy day for St. Louis and Missouri. That rain is going to stick around for Sunday, as we're looking at here at the GFS model. It's going to stick around for Sunday and then move out of here Sunday night into the southeast with some snow on the backside of it in areas like Kentucky and West Virginia, which already experienced snow from Winter Storm Garrett, and some cold on the backside of it. So it could be a cold Monday. It's going to be a cold Monday. But then we get into that pattern where it's cold, which is going to be that cold Monday, and then a ridge builds up, and then it's cold again, and then a ridge builds up. And so we're still in that pattern. So Wednesday and Thursday are going to be the days in the ridge. Tuesday is going to be around average temperatures in St. Louis and Missouri. But as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, that ridge does build up, and so Wednesday and Thursday are going to be pretty warm with highs both at around 50 degrees. So that's pretty warm from the cold air that we've had this past week. And those days are going to be pretty inactive for the whole United States, besides the Northwest, where there's that just plumes of moisture going through there pretty much all the time, it seems. And then as we go into Thursday, it does get a little bit more average. At the start of the day, it might be warm, but the GFS model is saying it may be a little bit more around average. Friday will be also around average, but we see that storm developing in the Four Corners state. That's going to be moving in to Missouri, the central part of the U.S. But also I want to point out this huge nor'easter the GFS is calling for. If this were to happen, that would be a blockbuster storm, and it could happen later in the week. I'll get into that as we go further into this video. But just massive snow in the Northeast. And as that storm goes into the central part of the U.S., it's going to depend on when the cold air, if the cold air is already there, it's going to be snow in areas like St. Louis and Missouri. If the cold air is not already there, it's going to be more of a mixed rain and maybe some snow on the backside type event. So it just depends if that cold air is going to be there, and if the moisture is there. Depends when those interact, and if the cold air is already there, it's going to be snow. If the cold air is not there, it's going to be more of a mixed event. And as we go into the future from there, there's tons of cold air being sucked down from the North Pole, basically, from the polar vortex. Coming down into the United States, it's going to be very cold Sunday and Monday for central and eastern United States. And then as we go into Sunday, that storm does crank up. Like, it gets a lot stronger, as you can see, affecting areas that were already affected by winter storm last week. Not last week, this week actually, Winter Storm Garrett. And then it cranks up into another nor'easter. So the Northeast could experience two nor'easters. It's obviously going to change. It's likely to change. There's no way this is exactly how it's going to happen, but it just hints that there are going to be some major storms in the future. And if you want to be kept updated on this, subscribe here at More Weather and follow me over on Twitter, because when I'm not posting videos here, I'm always posting videos over on Twitter.